you take this tool, you put it in here, comme ça, and then you put it in, comme ça, and then this one you use to take off, so you can take this out later. So one is done, let's do the next. Okay. So we are out on a little day tour, Dale sailing. It's like windy, good wind. We've been having to crisscross up here because the wind has been against us, but that's nice. That's how you want to do to exercise your skills of sailing. So there's some squalls and some sun and yeah, kind of everything at the same time. I don't know if it's gonna be very windy now, the sound, but I'm just using my mobile phone. Anyway, we are on anchorage. So what have I been doing here is that I've been taking I've been using like an ankarulina, it's called. It's like a strap that is on a roll in the back. I will show you how it looks like. Anyway, so this is how it looks like here. I've been so when we arrived here, I dropped the anchor in the water in the back while having the motor on, just on idle, not really any speed, and then I let the anchor fall down onto the bottom. Then I put on forward and I go slowly forward and let the anchor set a bit, and then I let it like about 2-3 boat length away from the anchor, and I turn off the motor and feel with my hand that it's stuck. Then I walk with the line all the way to the front to tie it up here, because when you do that, the wind will always have the boat so the front is towards the wind. So that's why I put it like this. That's what I heard, at least. So, and it seems to work, seems to be good. So the front is always here, and so I will show you here in the back what it is. This is very common here in Sweden. It's this thing that we use, and I have 54 meter of line here, and I've been marking it. So I've been, for every meter I've been drawing a line, and then when I reach a 10th or 20 and 30, I write it down so you know clearly how much you've been taking out. And yeah, what I've been doing here on this anchorage today is to try my DIY setup for the depth sounder. I use a Raspberry Pi, which is a little computer that you can build by yourself. It looks like this. I'll show you here downstairs. So here is my little setup. Doesn't look that nice right now, but it works. So this is the Raspberry Pi, and I just have a mouse and my little keyboard here. Then I use our Android tablet as a screen. So I have a little device here that I attached, which can put HD video. It captures the video from the Raspberry Pi, and you can use your tablet as a second screen, which is very nice. So right now we can see here that it's 5 meter 29 deep, and it's 15.4 Celsius degrees in the water. So, and that's one thing that you can monitor with this setup. You can put in wind, you can put in a plotter. There's like open source, which is very nice. And all of this is connected to the NMEA 2000 system. So on top of my Raspberry Pi here I have a Pican HAT. I will make a video more properly about the whole setup with this Raspberry Pi, because it's a big it's a lot of information, so it needs its own video. But I really like this kind of DIY setups, because if something breaks you can just throw out for example this one and put in a new one. It's not expensive compared to like if you have like a solid expensive Raymarine or Garmin setup. These ones are like, so you know, like if this breaks, what I have to do is just to buy a new one, which cost me around $100, and then I just take my memory card and stick it into the new one, and then I'm good to go again. So it's very easy and very cheap, and it works very well. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I can show you guys how it looks like under here, where I've been setting up the NMEA 2000 system, but as I said, I will make a real video later about this. So here's how it looks like. This is the depth sounder part that takes the signals from the depth sounder, and yeah, and then here you see I have the backbones for the NMEA 2000 system.